We are going to be making Ramadan lanterns. We want to fold your paper in half to the long and skinny way. You're going to take the bottom of your paper, make sure the tops are even, and then put a crease in the middle. And then we're going to pull down the danger zone. You can use one, or might as well use both sides of your paper for this one. And then go ahead and write your name on the danger zone. We're going to need to find the middle. So one way to do that is to fold it in half like this. And there you have the middle marked. Next, we're going to cut. So the first thing you're going to do is kind of find the bottom middle. And you're going to start at the folded edge and go all the way up to the danger zone and stop right at it. Then you're going to take that side and go find the middle of that and cut all the way up to the danger zone. Same thing on the other side. With the fat paper, you're going to take it and cut it all the way up to the middle. Now, we're going to cut each of those sections again in half until you should end up with about 8 sections. And then finally, we'll cut it one more time, each of these in half, so that we have 16 lines. As you're cutting, if there's some lines drawn for you, make sure you're looking carefully and try to stay right in the middle. If you mess up and have more or less, it's okay. Then we're going to unfold our paper, and the best thing you can do is flip it to where the fold is kind of poking up. And then you're going to take the stamps, and on mine, I'm choosing the sun and doing a diagonal all the way up. If you want to do yours differently, you can. But if you want to do yours like mine, start in the middle and work your way up, and then go with a moon, one moon under each star all the way up. And you can get several moons out of each time you get the paint. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that again right above the suns. And now I'm going to go back to my sun, and I'm going to go below the moons and add one sun below each moon or above each moon on the other side. And then you're going to continue on doing this pattern, or if you're not doing a pattern, just continue on until all the gaps are filled. Then it's time to take it over and put it in the drying rack, and we will assemble these next time. Now that it's dry, we're going to fold the lantern. To prepare the inside, you want to take a sheet of paper that's the same size as the first one you used and cut a couple inches off the long ways. Now we're going to fold this paper in half and make sure just both of the ends of the danger zone are folded down. And that will help a little bit as you put it together. So now you're going to go ahead and take it and make a circle out of it, and then just use a stapler, slightly overlap the top and put a staple in the top, and then do the same thing on the bottom. Now you're going to take your orange paper and make a skinny roll of it so that you can fit it inside your lantern, and then just once it's in there, release it until it takes up as much space as it can. And now I'm going to take my stapler again and staple it at the bottom, but I'm leaving that little bit of border just for fun. So staple it at the bottom and then at the top. And then with the paper you cut off, I cut mine a little bit skinnier, but then you can use that to make your handle and just go ahead and put it inside on each one and staple it on. Now you have a beautiful lantern for Ramadan. And this is the one with 16 cuts. And this is the one with 8. Remember, creativity takes courage, and you've got this.